and today we are hiking up to the top of Strawberry Peak via the mountaineering route. This is a 11.5 mile hike with over 3,000 feet elevation gain. This is one of my favorite hikes, and right now I am in Colby Canyon, and it is super dry and lots of critters running around. We're gonna check out Colby Canyon. Then there's two major scrambling sections to get to Strawberry Peak via the mountaineering route, and I am gonna take you guys there. During the winter and spring months, this is one of my favorite places to hike. This creek or riverbed is just flowing with water, and it's actually pretty hard to cross. There's also waterfalls all throughout the canyon feeding into this river. It's beautiful. It's super pretty here right now too. I just met this guy named Matt with the Tahunga Trails Posse. Shout out to you, Matt. He cleans up the trail and makes it all pretty and puts all these steps and switchbacks in. So shout out to you guys. Thank you for all your hard work. We really appreciate it. Strawberry Peak right here. That's the scrambling portion, and that's the first one. So we're gonna go up here and right along this ridgeline. So far, I'm making great time. It is so beautiful out here. I'm starting to hear a little bit of water down here in the canyon, so that's pretty rad. Just really trying to get up to this ridgeline as fast as I can, because that part's gonna take the longest. The bushes are really thorny, and I'm not really trying to deal with that today, so I want to get up there fast and check it out. You can look closely. There's switchbacks all along the steep ridge right here. And right there is the first scramble section. right behind me is the first scramble on this ridge line. I'm so happy to see it, you guys. It's a little dicey, you know, I'm not gonna lie, but it's doable. I'm right at the first scramble. Up close, you can see there's almost a path that I'm gonna take all the way up to the top. And there is Strawberry Peak again. Let's go. That first part, it's always a little dicier because the rock's super crumbly. And now I have this other route to take. I'm probably going to take it a little bit easier, or I can kind of like go across. As you can see, there's lots of different routes to take. Let's see what it looks like below, you guys. Is done. Woo! It feels good to be done with that ridge, that first scramble. But beautiful views downtown, Mount Wilson, Strawberry Peak, baby. Bushes have huge thorns on them. Not fun. It's been a really good hike so far. Just a beautiful day out, and I made it to the second scramble portion in the Strawberry Peak mountaineering route. This is peak number 6 of the 6 peak challenge in 6 weeks for me, you guys. I am so happy to be here right now. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break here before I kind of do a down climb and then an up climb up to the top of Strawberry Peak. far so good. Just really taking my time, watching where I'm going, using 3 points of contact at all times. And yeah, gorgeous out here, you guys. That was Strawberry Peak. That was quite the view. Right now I'm headed back down. Let's see where I'm headed down actually. I am headed down Strawberry Peak Trail. I've got over 6.5 miles to go. It's about 11 o'clock, so I'm hoping to finish around 2 o'clock. The hardest part is over. I always get super nervous before I do that mountaineering route, but then after it's done, I'm like, it wasn't so bad, you know? I have never been the rest of the way on this trail, so let's go check it out. Work, baby. Lawler Saddle. I got to get to there, and then I'm gonna kind of pitch back, do a 180 or a hairpin turn, and head back west, like kind of towards Strawberry Peak, but below it. So I've never been this way before. I think most of the elevation gain is out of the way, except for when I'm about to hit Josephine Saddle. I think I'm gonna have to have a climb there, but hey, it is what it is. I'm at Lawler Saddle right now. I'm gonna kind of do a 180 and head back this way. Behind me is the beautiful Strawberry Peak. A little bit on the other side of that ridge is where we just were. I had no idea this trail was this beautiful. Right now we're looking at Strawberry Peak.
I'm gonna make you
Back in Colby Canyon. I am a few hundred feet away from the truck. Thanks so much for following along. I had a great time. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week.